Hi guys, this is Emily from the Psych 2220 Learning Lab, and today I'm going to help you with stating hypotheses for two-tailed tests. So first we will start off with symbolic notation. And for the null hypothesis, we are going to want to demonstrate that there's going to be no difference between the two means. Symbolically, we are going to say that the null hypothesis is H naught, and that one of our means, mean 1, represented mu, is equal to mu 2, demonstrating that there is no difference. Now for our word formula for our null hypothesis, we are going to say that there is no difference in blank between blank. And if we fill in these blank spaces, it's going to say there is no difference in our dependent variable between our independent variables. And I will show you an example of this at the end of the video. For our symbolic notation for our alternative hypothesis, our hypothesis is going to be symbolized by H1, or you will oftentimes see it as HA. And here we are going to say that the two means are not the same. They could be on either side of the distribution curve, but they will not be the same exact value. So to write this, mu1 is not equal to mu2. For our word formula for our alternate hypothesis, we will state that there is a difference between blank and blank. And if we fill in these blanks, it will say there is a difference in dependent variable between the independent variables. And now here we have an example to help you understand what this means. Is there a difference in calories burned when using treadmills with a calorie counting feature, which will count how many calories you have burned, or then treadmills that do not have this feature? State the hypotheses. Our null hypothesis will have mu1 equals mu2. And our written null hypothesis is going to say that there is no difference in calories burned, our dependent variable, between using treadmills with or without a calorie counting feature, and that is our independent variable, which type of treadmill they use. Our alternate hypothesis is going to say that there is a difference between these two. There is a difference in calories burned, our dependent variable, between using treadmills with a calorie counting feature or without a calorie counting feature. And I hope this helps, and just a huge reminder that as you go through all of your hypotheses testing, never to accept the null hypothesis. You are always going to want to fail to reject your null hypothesis. I hope this helps.